Hey guys, Imdad this side from 24/7 everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Oppo A83. So in this particular video we'll be going to see how to do factory data reset on Oppo A83 or how to reset Oppo A83 phone. So firstly for that particular part we have to tap on settings button and afterward you have to move to additional settings and inside that you have to scroll back or I would say to the bottom where you will see backup and reset and afterward you will see an option like factory data reset. So here you have to perform or I would say tap on third option which is erase all content and settings. So it will prompt you like this, all content and settings will be erase data. If you are pretty sure then you can tap it here, but before doing this I want to discuss few things with the precautionary note. So basically it will delete or wipe all the data on your internal storage or I would say on your phone except SD card. So for that particular part, firstly you have to take backup either to SD card or to PC or laptop before performing this particular process and so on. So once you are confirmed, then and only then you tap on this erase button and afterward again it will do the final confirmation like continue, all content and settings will be erased, this operation can't be undone, basically data will not be recoverable. So just press on erase data and now your phone will be restarted and afterward you will see a prompt or I would say a screen where it will be mentioning like wiping data and so on. And during this particular process do not play with volume rocker buttons or power button because it will hard brick or soft brick your phone and afterward you have to visit your authorized Oppo center or any mobile repair center. So like I have told you earlier that it will be wiping data and so on. So during this time do not play with volume rocker button and so finally data wiping and data encryption process has been completed. Now Oppo will take nearly about 4 to 5 minutes to initiate the phone setup process. So let's wait till that particular time. So finally the phone setup process has been started. So by default it has selected English United States. So let's continue with that. So afterward if you want to connect with Wi-Fi and do the preceding steps then you can use it or like I would say connect to the desirable available Wi-Fi networks at your side. For this particular part I'm just going to skip it. So again this will be same for you as well. So I would recommend not to join user experiment I would say experience project and afterward just tap on continue button. Now a few things related to Google services, let's do agree. And afterward it is asking from the securities perspective, do you want to set up password and face unlock and so on. So again I'm going to skip, so we can do this part later on. Again for the better battery management I will recommend you to turn this off. And again like from the software updates point of view I would recommend to make it like I would say turn it off so that you can manually done it, because sometime update has been installed automatically and it will prompt you to restart your phone, because sometimes we don't want to install an update, we heard somewhere that this update is buggy and so on, so that will be very good for us. So now on this screen it is asking, do you want to import data from old phone or set up as a new phone. So I just want to set up as a new Oppo phone. So if you will be connected to internet then you will be able to install apps from the app market, but at this moment I'm going to skip it. So we have almost completed the phone setup process and after this it will be booted to the home screen and this will be the default I would say app structure or app layout or layout whatsoever you use as in terminology. So by this way we have successfully I would say done the reset process on Oppo A83 or done the factory data reset process on Oppo A83. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family, and apart from this please subscribe to our channel because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.